Hey, what's up mga Virgonian? This is your reading for this month, 2024 May. Okay? So, full moon ko siya ginagawa. Full moon reading ang tawag ko dito. So, anything and randomly selected lahat ng to meant for my Virgonian placement, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus sign. Your first card, Three of Spades. Ang paglalagay daw ng limitations and boundaries mo ay napakahalaga sa panahong ito ng Mayo. Dahil, lalo na raw sa pag-ibig or pakikipagrelasyon. Oo, go with the flow tayo sa pakikipagrelasyon. Ang ilan sa inyo ay may bago or mayroong mga lumang relasyon. At the same time, you need to put limitations and boundaries na hindi 100% ang ibibigay or todo-todo. Dahil, mahirap man itong gawin. Alam ko mahirap gawin ito, hindi ganun kadali. But remind yourself, let someone help you to remind yourself, or you can remind yourself na paminsan-minsan hindi umuubra yung sobrang pagmamahal. Talagang lagi itong nag-create ng problem. So you need to put limitations and boundaries. Kung hanggang saan lang yung kaya may ibigay. Minsan magtira ka para sa sarili mo, para yung fear, takot, or insecurities mo ay hindi na lumala sa panahong ito. You deserve to be happy, so definitely you will still experience happy moments, not only because of your love relationship, but because you will experience new beginning, something fresh, new ideas, new friends, new connections, or possible things na rason ng pagiging masaya mo. Pero paano daw kung may nag-hold back sa'yo, may restrictions, may mga bagay na hindi mo magawa ito dahil bawal, dahil may mga ganong eksena. But Virgonian, I would like you to know that you need to give yourself enough break, time to pause and surrender all your grudges, pain, sorrows, whatever you're feeling negative. Please surrender it all to God. Seven of Clubs. Faith and prayers can bring you to enlightenment, clarity, and stability na magle-level up ka paano sa susunod na 3 linggo, 3 buwan ng panahong ito. Third quarter ng taon, September, kahit maging busy ka, marami kang gagawin, definitely things can do change for a secured partnership, collaboration, or even relationship. Okay? Na maging mas malinaw ang pakikisama at pakikisalamuha. May mga kakampi ka raw, ilan man pero kailangan mong ipagmalaki, na ilan man yan pero mahalaga, solid naman sa'yo. Ang iyo namang tarot card for this month of May 2024, or anytime nyo ito mapanood, okay? It can resonate with you as well. Three of Wands, kung iniisip mo raw na lumayo, maglakbay, or mag-travel, some of your Virgonians are definitely going to experience traveling within this year or onwards. Nasa sight mo na siya, nabivision mo na, and it will bring you extreme happiness. Fulfillment ang ibig sabihin nito. Kung dumating ang panahon na ikaw makaalis or makapaglakbay, makamove or change ng place, this can lead you to a stronger, stable, and happier moments. Mabilis daw ang mga balita. May mga balita na hindi mo magugustuhan, but I would highly suggest and recommend for you to not to get too excited. Kasi pwedeng ma-excite ka ng gusto. But okay lang ma-excite, pag huwag sobra-sobra, okay? Pero that excitement news can bring you to world fulfillment. Ibig sabihin, nasa kamay mo ang lahat ng power. There's a possibility of traveling to a different country talaga. Okay? So, para sa mga Virgonian ko ito na magta-travel kung saan. Right? Ngayon, ang iyong Oracle card reading. Not for you. There are things na hindi daw para talaga sa iyo kasi may pinaglalaan ng panahon. Go the distance, paglalakbay muli, pag-alis, or pagpunta sa ibang lugar. You have to take a deep breath. Hinga ng malalim. Relax and find time to adjust with the rules and regulations, pagpaprocess ng mga papel, dokumento, para maging patas daw sa'yo. Hinga lang ng kailangan daw maghuminga, lalo kung busy ka o marami kang pinagkakaabalahan. Last but not the least, go with the flow with your tribe. Definitely, you will be busy dealing with your friends, connections, especially with your family. Okay? Mga kasing pareho mo ng mindset. Last but not the least, ang first 3 sticks mo, kahit daw mataas ang pride mo, after ng mga deception experiences, you are still meant to be happy. Last, so you have to trust the power of God. Have more faith, because in the midst of troubles, you are meant to have a stronger, stable life like a building, solid ground, or definitely literal na magkaroon ng property. So in the future, you are meant to get rich. Good luck sa inyo, mga Virgonia. Ako, nagulat din ako doon. Take care and God bless.